said to my wife one time I was pleased with what I was doing at Upright Health, and she said, "So am I, you complain a lot less." My name's Bob Kaplan, and for most of my career I've been a management consultant. I'd played ice hockey all through my earlier adult life, but had fallen off of doing that after I had my second knee surgery from a hockey injury. For a long time now, maybe at least 10-15 years, I've had lower back problems. I have seen orthopedists, chiropractors, osteopaths, acupuncturists, and nobody ever really had the magic bullet that let me feel a lot better. I was lucky enough to find a physiatrist who did all the normal tests, MRIs, x-rays of my back, and was kind enough to tell me that even though there were clinical findings on the MRIs and x-rays, he doubted that it had actually anything to do with the pain I was feeling, and that he thought the best thing to do was to stay away from surgery at all costs, which I appreciated, and then to work on getting myself in better shape. I found Matt through an internet search I was doing, looking at alternative types of treatment. I liked the idea of personal training since it was similar to the physical therapy. I think that's what really brought me into Upright. What's been great is the openness that both Matt and Vincent have had to listening to me, listening to what was working, what wasn't, and then adjusting the program literally on a week-by-week basis on the fly. Initially, when I was doing some of the early weight training, I was waking up for the next 2 or 3 days and my lower back was just feeling really sore. We just stopped for a while and then came back to it to try it again because it was definitely having a positive effect in terms of strength. My form wasn't really right. Focusing for a few weeks on perfecting the form with very light weight, almost no weight, and then gradually adding the weights back up, I was able to get back into it, and it had a very positive effect. I would definitely recommend Upright Health because of the variety of different types of training that you can do here. Feeling a lot better now than I did when I started, giving me much more overall strength and seeing steady improvement. I said to my wife one time I was pleased with what I was doing at Upright Health, and she said, "So am I, you complain a lot less." It's a fun place, and the people are fun. When you're coming every week, putting a lot of time into it, might as well be fun. I absolutely believe in the slogan, "Pain sucks, life shouldn't."